Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling supplies and testing so you avoid damage. Put on gloves and mix any concentrated cleaner with warm water if label instructs. Small amounts increase control. Once done, dampen a microfiber cloth and wipe a hidden corner to confirm finish compatibility. If safe, move to the visible area. Make sure to orient the cloth and strokes with the metal grain so you don't create micro scratches. Start at the top and work downward to catch drips and streaks. You now perform the detailed cleaning across the whole surface. Apply cleaner sparingly to a cloth or directly to the stainless in 12 to 18-inch sections. This controls overspray and waste. Once applied, agitate with a soft bristled brush along seams and edges, then smooth with a microfiber cloth following the grain to lift soils. Make sure to remove all residue by rinsing with a clean, damp cloth immediately. Residue left to dry will create streaks and attract fingerprints. You finish by drying and polishing to restore luster and protect the surface. Buff with a dry microfiber cloth across the grain until the sheen is even. A small amount of mineral oil or dedicated stainless polish adds slip and reduces fingerprints. Once done, inspect under varied light to catch mist streaks. If streaks or cloudy spots remain, re-clean that area with a diluted vinegar solution, rinse thoroughly, and dry immediately. This usually removes residue buildup without harming the finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.